Good morning, friends. You are in conversation with Archana. It is becoming successively darker and cloudier as I speak because the rains are almost here. And with the rain comes a lot of bugs and mites which attack our plant. So, can we keep our plants safe all year round with a harmless kind of pesticide? Yes, we certainly can. And let's go and see how we can.
Friends, today I'm going to show you an organic and mild pesticide which can be made at your home very easily. And just like in my previous videos, this too uses very simple and common ingredients to be found either in your kitchen or in your garden. And the beauty of this method is that it forms a protective shield on your plant leaves, protecting your plants from any future infestation by bugs, mites, insects, and especially ants. And it is absolutely safe to use on all kinds of plants. So today I'm going to take some garlic, pods of a whole garlic, some chili peppers around 5 or 6, an aloe vera leaf which I have cut into small pieces, and one more ingredient which I will come to later on in the video when we are ready to use the pesticide. So please follow to the end. For now, let's put all the ingredients in a mixer grinder jar. You can also use a mortar and pestle because we do not want a very fine paste. I am using a mixer jar. So as you can see here, we have a rough paste. Now we will take half a liter of water and add the paste to it. Now we can increase the water a little bit, but it will dilute your pesticide and make it slightly ineffective. For me, I think half a liter has worked very well. Once all your paste is fully incorporated into the water, give it a brisk stir and we can leave it to rest for 24 hours covered in a cool place.
Friends, it is now 24 hours and the liquid looks something like this. This is your basic pesticide and now we are going to strain it. This is full of all the antimicrobial properties of chili and garlic and has aloe vera, which is a known antifungi, antibacterial. So this you can store for up to 4 to 5 months in a glass bottle or a plastic bottle and it will not spoil. This is your basic pesticide. Do take time to like, share and subscribe. So now friends, here we have the basic fertilizer we prepared, and when we want to use it, we shall take a spray bottle with around 1 to 1.5 liters of water and put in 3 tablespoons of the liquid we prepared. To this we shall add a 4th ingredient, which is any liquid soap available. It can be a dishwash, it can be a hand wash. Please remember, if you want to make it fully organic, you should take organic hand wash available in the market. We will put 4 dollops of this hand wash into our liquid. This is to give a base to the pesticide for sticking to the plants. The soap forms a coating over the leaves which helps the pesticide to stick on it. Give it a good shake and we are ready to use it. So well, here we are within our plants, ready to save all kinds of plants in all kinds of season. Because remember, they will not harm your plants, but then neither will they harm the insects. It will not kill the insects, remember? It is here to save your plants from the pest attack. Because the pests do not like either the taste or the smell of this pesticide. So as soon as they come in contact, they will leave your plants and go away. So all you need to do is give this a good shake and start spraying your plants. Cover it well and then repeat after every 15 days for protection all year round. Another small tip is remember to use your insecticide or pesticide in the evening, because that is the time when the minimum evaporation happens and your plants have a maximum time to react to that pesticide. So just keep spraying, spray well. And another important tip is that if you have ants in your plants, this is a sure shot method to get rid of it. All you need to do is spray it well on your plants, on the soil, and also at the drainage hole at the bottom of your pot. And the ants will definitely go away. So I hope you have a good time taking care of your plants. Thank you.